In future, I want to join international university. That's why I'm learning this American accent. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about importance of English. English is very necessary in future, but our mother tongue Hindi, as everybody like to speak in Hindi, but English is going to be demanded in future. So I'm here to explain you importance of English. In English also it's have the many accent, British accent, American accent. So I used to learn American accent. Recently started learning American accent. So I know few of the things which I'm going to tell you in this video. So I will tell you the pronunciation of of. That is, we in British we use British English, and in America they say of. And if the words after if words carries of, and after that sentence, if the words have vowels, so we used to say of av. And if words after of it is a consonant, then we will say of. Second word, that is, I'm explaining with you with an example. In British we say I have lot of money, but in American accent they say I have lot of money, of. So here you got the pronunciation of. And the second word, that is the pronunciation of the. We in British English we call it as the, but in American they pronounce T as a D. The. For example, I have lot of money, lot of money. And in American accent, they pronounce T as T also as a D. So if we pronounce lot, then they say lot of money. And if in American they used to pronounce T with the 5 types. And the first type, which I am going to tell you, that if the T comes in the between of the words, then they pronounce as D. Then if you are saying the word water, then it will be called as water. For example, in British, you all say, and I also. For example, I need a glass of water. So they pronounce I need a glass of water. In future, I want to join international university. That's why I'm learning this American accent. So guys, keep learning from my video, and take care. Bye bye.